Now question number 3, a curve has equation y equals to 1 over 63x plus 1 squared and point is moving along the curve. Find the x coordinates of the point on the curve for which x and y coordinate are increasing at the same rate. So, when we see the written rate here, so that means we are talking about the rate of change. This is dy dt. So, now we are given that x and y coordinate change. So, that means dx over dt is equal to dy over dt, they are same, right. So, that gives us dx over dt times dt over dy equals to 1. So, I am taking this on other side. So, this will be 1, this will we are going to use later. Now, the equation that we are given is this 1 over 60. So, this can be written as 3x plus 1 power minus 2, right. So, now we are going to differentiate dy over dx, 1 over 60 remains as it is. So, times minus 2, sorry, this is not minus, this is plus 2, and then we have 3x plus 1 power 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, and times the derivative of this, that is 3. Okay. So, this becomes actually 2 over, and this is 3 comes here, 3 times 2 is 6, and this will become 1 over 10 and 3x plus 1, right. So, this is our dy over dx. Okay. So, now dy over dx is equal to this dy over dx can be written as the we are trying to use that formula that we have already got there up, dy over dx dt and to dt over dx, right. So, dy over dx is 1 over 10 3x plus 1, and this whole thing is equal to 1 from here. So, we are using this one, right, using this equation. So, this thing is equal to 1. So, from here then we will have 3x plus 1 equals to 10 and 3x is equal to 9 and x is equal to 3, right. So, this is 3. Now, what is the question? Find the coordinates of the point. So, we are looking for the x coordinate of the point, sorry, not the coordinates, only the x coordinate of the point. So, x coordinate of the point is 3. So, which is the point where x and y. So, x equals to 3, this is the point, this is the point where x and y coordinates are increasing at same rate, right. Now, I would request you guys, before starting next question, if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe and share it with your friends, and kindly comment in the comment section about the feedback. So, question 4, the circumference around the tank, of the large tree is measured and found 5 meters, right. After 1 year, the circumference is measured again and found 5.02. Now, part A, given that the circumferences at yearly intervals form an arithmetic progression. So, find the circumference after 20 years. So, this becomes arithmetic progression. So, 5.00, then second is 5.02. So, then next is going to be 5.04 and so on until 20 years. We are looking up to 20 years. So, this is T1 here, term 1, this is term 2, and if you see, this is term 1, term 2, and at the 20th year it is going to be 21th term, right. So, we are looking for the 21 term. That is our question. So, as this is a arithmetic and arithmetic. So we have A is 5, right, 0.00, and the common difference is 5.02 minus 5.00, that is 0.02, right. So we can use the formula Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D. So T21 we are looking, A is 5 and n is 21 minus 1 times 0.02, right. So this is 5 plus 20 times 0.02. So this is, just plug in the values in calculator, 5.40. Okay. Now part B, given instead the circumference is yearly interval, form a geometric progression. Now this is a geometric progression. Find the circumference after 20 years after the first measurement. So we have like 5 geometric progression, then next is 5.02. So this is now a GP, right. So for GP, this is T1, this is T2, and after 20 years, we are looking at 20 years. So that is going to become a T21, right. So now the formula for the geometric progression of nth term A R n minus 1. So we are looking for T21, A is 5, R we need to find out. R is 5.02 over 5, the second term divided by the first one. So this comes out to be 1.004, right. So I'm putting here 1.004 power 21 minus 1, it is 20, right. So just calculate that and you will get it 5.4155. So T21 approximately to 3 significant figure is 5.42. So this is our final answer. Thank you so much guys for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe, and I will wait for your comments in the comment section. Be blessed guys.